Hello, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to share with you my semi-homemade cake I make for my family. I use different flavored cakes each time depending on their preference. It's easy, simple, I love making it and decorating it, and you can decorate for any occasion. You're going to need wax paper or parchment paper, and you're going to place it on the sides of the plate for easy cleanup. And you're going to need two 9-inch round cakes. I'm using boxed white cake today. And you're going to need a 16-ounce container of whipped topping. Keep it in the fridge so it's soft, and any fruit that you desire. I'm using sliced strawberries and bananas today. Put a thin layer of frosting. Does not have to be perfect. This part will be covered. Then put a layer of fruit. I'm putting the bananas first because it's flat and even. It makes it a lot easier. Now put the strawberries. There is no rhyme or reason to this pattern as long as it's an even layer. Next, you're going to put a layer of frosting over the strawberries. Use a light and slow hand to spread over it because the strawberries will stick and move around. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to add the last layer of cake on top. My cake came out cracked, but that's okay. It will be covered and the sides will also be filled in. When you frost the cake, you won't see the cracks anymore. So be generous with the frosting because this will be the final step to frosting the top of the cake. I don't frost the cake perfect. I give a rough, smooth look. Now I'm going to fill in the sides. It's just the first layer of the sides, so it doesn't have to be perfect. To make the second layer easier, I put the cake in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. This is optional, but it does harden the frosting a little. Now I'm going to put the final layer of frosting. I just want to cover the exposed cake and fruit. I wanted this to be an easy, simple cake with like a rustic look. Carefully pull the paper out. It's nice and clean, and finally I get to decorate. I have 3 roses. I put some saran wrap on the stems. Be careful with decorating cakes with flowers because some are toxic, so you have to do your research before you decorate your cake to be safe. There is so many ways to decorate it with flowers. I'm doing it simple and putting them in the center. Last minute, I added some pink ribbon to the bottom. I was going for a spring, simple, elegant look. You can use any flavor cake or fruits and decorate for any occasion. Just be creative. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.